Hi guys, it's me, Tiffany, also known as Taco Tiffy, and I'm here with another episode of Weekend Fun. Okay, today is a public holiday. It's not a weekend, but I mean, I guess it kind of feels like a weekend. As you know, Weekend Fun, we rank things based on whether it's low, medium, or high, on its fun value, effort it takes, as well as its price. Today, what I'll be doing is a little mini cookout dinner for my family. I'll be meeting Seth later on in the afternoon and we'll go get groceries and prepare dinner. I think sometimes putting together a meal for your family can be like a fun little activity to do, and that's what we're doing this week. I'm actually gonna start the day by making my bed. So this is the pretty blanket that matches the bed, and this is the comfy one that doesn't match the bed. So this is the one I sleep with, but it's not the one I make the bed with. And now that my bed's all made up, I'll get ready and see you guys when I'm at the grocery store. Or when I see Seth, whichever comes first.
Me.
What's your name?
Me too.
Your name is Me Too. Okay, we are off with our little trolley basket thing. I'm thinking of making curry chicken, so we need to look for ingredients. Whitewashed potatoes! What?
The smooth one. How did you want to cook it?
I wouldn't cook it, I'll just put it upside down
Where?
on a plate.
And then?
And then we eat it like that lah. It's cold. It's like you eat it cold. Isn't that how tofu is cooked?
You're not cooking it.
No lah, you just put it on the dish and eat, but it's a second dish.
I'm pretty sure you still have to cook it.
I think you are wrong.
This is our curry section. Our side dish section. And then our dessert section.
We're gonna cut the chicken. Okay, when I say we, I mean my kaka is gonna help me cut the chicken.
Okay, so I'm going to do the dessert. Boiling the sago, prepping the pudding, ready to make. Tiffany will be looking after this section first, so peeling potatoes. I'll probably cut them.
Peeling potatoes.
And then...
Chopping this up into little pieces.
Yes.
And then, cheating with using this curry packet.
Yeah.
To be honest, I love cooking with brinjal, aubergine, eggplant, whatever you choose to call it, because it's so easy. All you have to do is just chop it up. You don't even have to peel it, and then you can boil it, and it tastes really, really good. It's one of my favorite things to eat. I always mix in some curry powder and sugar into my mix because I want the curry taste to be a little stronger, and normally the packet just doesn't cut it. We have to use a bottle that has measuring indicators on it.
Simple as this. Pouring the mixture into the water.
Eventually.
How do we go?
We took a break from our cooking. I mean, everything is pretty much done, and now we are out at the art gallery. I've always wanted to come here. We only have less than an hour to explore, but I figured since it's kind of close to home and it's free, why not pay a visit? Where are we?
National Art Gallery.
How do you say it in Malay?
No idea.
Balai Seni Negara.
Balai Seni Negara.
Yes. Hello. Thank you. makes me a bit anxious actually. A whiff of mystery. There's always something to go after, but not all are within our reach.
It's a complacent attitude. Defeatist mentality.
Oh my god. Oh, unique and weird. What a weird thing. And there's sound coming from it and they're asking you not to open it. I don't know whether it's like a test, like you're supposed to open it. Okay, no, you can't open it. Everyone thinks this is an art installation. The maintenance guy actually left all the fans here. He's supposed to move them to the other room. Am I funny?
Yes, you are. You're very funny.
He humors me.
We are done. Took us less than 55 minutes.
It was quite fun, I would say.
I say it was alright.
Let's do our ranking.
Okay, price, go.
0, nothing,
Easy.
low. Effort,
Effort, pretty easy as well. Easy to get to.
low, pretty low. Parking is available, no need to pay for it. Easy to find, yeah. And fun level.
As we've just mentioned, I thought it was not bad. Okay.
And I thought it was fun. So there we go, now we're back to cooking. Look at that. Oh, that's all fogged up. There we go. I'm removing some of that oil so it's not super oily. I came home and found out my mom had already had some, which I guess means that it's gotten her approval. So I think once we remove the oil and let it reduce a little further, it'll probably taste even better. So I'm excited for that. This is our pudding. It's solidified. And Seth is cutting up little mango pieces. Where's your sago?
In the fridge still.
Okay, so there's gonna be sago on this as well. Okay, now we're gonna add some sauce to it. I don't think it looks the cutest, but it looks not bad. Hi! We just had dinner. I'm full.
I'm stuffed.
So this is our version of today's Recaparino. We already told you how we felt about the art gallery. So this is how we felt about making dinner. Fun. Let's talk about fun first. Since the taste is still in our mouth, we can talk about the fun. Okay, for me, I thought cooking was pretty fun. I like going grocery shopping and I like the fact that we kind of in our heads had an idea to make dessert. So normally in my household, we don't have dessert with our meals. I don't think it's too common for Asian households to have dessert for like a general dinner sort of thing as well. So we made a mango pudding as you guys saw. I don't know, I think everyone liked it. It was something different. It kind of felt like an occasion. The chicken curry was okay. I think, you know, it was yummy, but it was because of a packet. Tofu and beans, I mean, they ate everything. Everything was eaten. So I guess in that way we accomplished something. But yeah, I would say it's pretty high fun.
I would agree. It's always fun cooking. And grocery shopping, finding out which ingredients you need to put together.
And I also think it's fun because we don't do it every day. There's no real occasion to cook for so many people every single day. So now that we get to do it like just, you know, for fun, this really felt like fun. Okay, now, effort. How was the effort level?
Pretty low effort, I would say. We picked supplies that require low effort. For example, the mango pudding, you just mix water and powder.
Curry, yeah, everything was low effort. I mean, I made the curry like many times.
And we steamed and boiled the tofu and the French beans as well. Everything was just super low effort this meal.
And my maid helped me cut the chicken. And I think that would have been the high effort part. I peeled the potatoes, again, that wasn't hard. Yeah, okay, I agree. Low effort.
Low effort. Then price.
Price.
So total price, if you exclude the rice.
Okay.
Price without the rice was $55.95.
Okay.
Which fed 5 of us.
6 of us, because included my maid.
5 and a half.
5.5 of us.
5 and a half.
Yeah. Because
That's
my
so
maid
much.
had her own veggies and yeah, so she just had the curry chicken. Yeah, that was not bad. I mean, it works out to cheaper than if we ate outside. Of course, it'd be like
and there was
11
plenty of
per
meat,
person.
which is usually the thing that's expensive when you go out.
Yep.
And there was the dessert.
And I think for us, just like splitting it in half, that's like how much per person? 27-ish per person.
About 28, yeah.
Yeah, that's not bad because we got to sort of like treat my family, and it was a yummy meal, and I think everyone enjoyed it. So definitely something I'll do again.
So in terms of our verdict?
Price was low. Price was medium. Price is medium, low.
Low medium.
Price is low medium. Price is low medium. Yep, I gotta say that. Price is low medium. I mean, if you compare it to the museum, which was literally zero, yeah, low medium.
Low medium.
Low medium. I just want to recommend that, you know, you guys have a weekend just like our fake weekend today. You know, go and buy something for your family, cook it for people you love, and maybe somewhere in there, go to a museum or an art gallery. Be cultural.
Thank you.